Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix achievement not showing on Instagram. So make sure your Instagram is updated here. So we'll just open our Instagram here, and now you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right side corner. Now click on the top right, the three lines here, and scroll a little bit down, and somewhere you will find an option to change your account in professional account. So only if you just change your account to professional account you will able to solve this. So if you're not able to find this here, you can just search professional, right? And here you can see add your professional account. Just click on continue again, and here select whatever genre you are looking for, and you have to add your phone number and email address here, and your account will be converted into a professional account, right? So mine is already here, that's why I'm able to see my achievement over my Instagram. And make sure to use updated version of Instagram too. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.